Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to create a spreadsheet using Excel 2010 version. We will then input labels and values. After entering the values, we will input or learn how to input function and formulas and general format of the worksheet. As you see here, this is a worksheet which has the columns. Columns are A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on. Rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You have sheets. You have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and if you run short of, you can add more sheets. You can add up to 255 sheets in one worksheet. The active cell that is there, that is called A1. A1 is given a name to a active cell. So a cell reference is known as A1, B1, C1, B2, D2. This is where this is called a name box. This is called a formula bar. Here we enter the formulas, and these are all the tool menus, toolbars that we're gonna use in order to build or create a worksheet. So we will enter a mark sheet. We will consider that this is a school, and we'll enter a assessment record of 10 students. So first we'll enter names. We have Anil, Mukesh, we have Ahmed, Raju, John, Chone, Sunil, Pooja, Priya, and Ria. These are the 10 names. We are not formatting it, we are just entering the names. Sorry, the spelling of Raju was wrong. So we'll enter the subjects. Possibly we'll enter 5 subjects. Say these students are doing English, maths, accounting, economics, and computer. And then we'll find the total of it. We'll also find the average of their marks. So let's enter the marks. Marks are as we enter them. So all of them do all 5 subjects. $65, $45, $89, $44, $85, $75, $45, $22. Next mark, 52, 36, 45, 79, 87, 85, 69, 45, 78, 78. Accounting mark, 85, 86, 97, 84, 74, 56, 68, 45, 95, 95. Economics mark, 55, 68, 73, 74, 78, 71, 52, 85, 84, 85, 91. Oh, sorry. Computer mark, 85, 56, 60, 74, 85, 77, 76, 74, 81, 1987. So these are the marks that we have entered. This is a worksheet. The names and the subjects are called the labels, and the marks that is entered using a digit is called the values. So we'll try to add them together. We'll try to find the sum of them using both function and formula. So let's look at how to use a function for any total, or for any addition, or any formula or function that you enter. You have to start with the equal sign. Sum, when you write add sum, it becomes a function. So select the function from B2 to F2. It will give you the total of 5 subjects. From here you don't need to enter you don't need to enter formula or function in all of that. You can just drag and drop. When you go to this black icon that is there, you click on it, hold your mouse on it and drag it down. When you drag it down, the total appears itself. Finding the average is using a formula. So you enter a equal sign, total mark divided by the number of subjects. So number of subjects is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. That's the average mark of a student. So you can drag and complete your formula. So this is a complete worksheet, not as complete. We have to do some more computation. For example, we'll have to find number passed. So number passed, we have to find percentage pass. We have to find average of each subject, and we have to find the maximum mark and minimum mark. So here we have to use functions. Here we have to use a number passed. Looking at it, you have to automate it, so you have to enter a function like into the formula, and you go to fx. We'll need a if function because we have to test a condition, so we have to have a if function. If that, then what will happen? So we have to have a countif function. We have to have a countif function. Countif function, because we'll have a range. That's the range selected, and the criteria is greater than equal to 50. So all marks that is greater than and equal to 50 would be counted. So out of those 10, 7 passed. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 passed. And don't need to type the formula for the rest. We can drag to complete. So number passed, in maths there are 7 students passed. Accounting 9, economics 10, computer 10. Percentage passing rate is pass rate upon number set. So pass upon number set is 10 times 100. So this is 70%. You can drag to make this. So this is 70%, 70%, 70, 100, 100. Average mark is average of each subject. So you have to enter a average, open bracket, up to the 10th mark, That's your average mark. 63 is the average mark in English. A maximum mark, again a function. Maximum is maximum to the range. Your 89 is the maximum mark. Let's see in all the subjects. Minimum mark is min. Again select the range, close. Okay, you can extend this to your total marks too. You can extend this to your total marks too. It will give you the same result except for percentage pass, where we have to say it is out of 250 because your total is out of 500. So it's out of 50, 250, 10, all. So this is the worksheet that we have created. Now we'll format this worksheet. Looking at the column width in row height, we'll format this. You can shift around if you want to. You can shift the columns to fit all the names. You can also shift around this: accounting, economics, computer, total, and average. And you can also bring all down to the center. Values can be brought down to center. Names would be left aligned, and your titles could be brought to center. Now you can increase the font size, and you can bold your topics. Example font 12, which will enable us to fit all. We can also insert grid if you want. This is inserting grids. We have to go to borders and select all borders. It will insert grid. Now to highlight this, we can also highlight it using thick box marker. We can also highlight this. Now we can differentiate this cell from others by giving a cell color down below. And you can choose from more colors. We can give a cell color of this if you want to. You can also give a font color that is this throws out. So this is the font color, bold, etc. You can also change the font color of this. You can also change the name fonts to any color that you want. You can also highlight this because this is a total, so you can highlight it with another color. So this is a total, this is an average. You can also put it in another color also. So that's formatting a worksheet. We can also include a border. We did included a border, so we have this as our worksheet. So this is all what we have for today. But we can also, if you don't like the row height, they are too narrow, you can also increase it by highlighting it from 1 to 16 and you drag it down. So this is how your worksheet would look like. And all values in the middle, you can put it to center by clicking in the middle alignment button, so it will center it up.